Okay, so let's take a look at how you can make particle effect for, let's say, a save point or photo point. So what we'll do is open GDevelop, and I have created this background black or semi-gray so that that effect would be visible on screen. So next thing is creating new object and using particle emitter, and here let's put it portal or save point as object name, right? Then particle kind needs to be, let's say, a line. Then it should have higher length, something like 10. Thickness should be, let's say, 1. Start color, let's make this purple, and in color as blue, right? So let's try this out. Keep it to 204 on 0. Then maximum particle, keep it at 300. Number of particles in tank -1. Then flow of particles set to 5. Minimum emitter force, let's go with higher number 100, and maximum 200. Then spray cone angle, we have to keep it to low, so 1. Also the radius, I want to set it to high, 25. Then gravity values set to default as is, and so does the friction of particles. Then particle lifetime, set it to 0.5 and 0.75, so not too big. Okay, then start size and size of particle set to 100. Now apply this, save your project. Now drop this at center, again save this, and now execute. And here you see a bit blurry effect, right? And currently it is in horizontal way, so let's change its direction to the top, right? Now save this and run again, and here you see very small effect you can see. So let's make some change, get the background to a bit more dark, right? Click OK, right? And then execute. Now you can see the save point, right? So when player arrives here, you can trigger the save. So if you want to try out this particle effect, experiment with its size, however, because currently it's not much visible. Also you need some sprite over here that indicates there is some point to go, and like some, let's say, a box, or let's say a tile upon which this effect is showing up. You can also make a tree so that it looks a bit glowing for this effect. So you get the idea how to make use of particle emitter in GDevelop for making save point or photo point particle effect.